Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all good and welcome to Current Affairs in Flux. Let's begin today's daily current affairs. October 29th, we observe World Psoriasis Day, and theme for this day for the year 2021 is Uniting for Action. And this day is observed by the International Federation of Psoriasis Association to promote the awareness, empowerment, and the action for improving the quality of life for the people who are suffering from psoriasis or the psoriatic arthritis. Here, the psoriasis is a kind of skin order disease where the skin cells are multiply by 10 times faster, and this by multiplying the skin cells, this cause the skin to build up into a bumpy red patches, which is embraced with the white scales. With the president of IFPA, that is International Federation of Psoriasis Association, president is Jose Vavero, and it is headquartered in Sweden, which is founded in the year 1971. Next one, October 29th, we also observe International Internet Day, and this day is observed on October 29th across the world to celebrate the usage of the internet for the first time. And this day marks the sending of the first electronic message, which was transferred from one computer to other computer in the year 1969. At the time, the internet was known as the ARPANET, and now it is known as internet. Next one, KV Kamath named as chairperson of NABFID. Here the full form of NABFID is National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development. Here the government of India appointed the KV Kamath as the chairperson of NABFID, and he is a well-known banker, and he is served as the head of the New Development Bank for the first. He is the first head of the New Development Bank, where NABFID is a financial institution. It is set up for the infrastructure financing, which is set up at the authorized capital of rupees 1 lakh crore and the initial paid up capital of rupees 20,000 crore. Next one, Baldev Prakash appointed as the MD and CEO of Jammu and Kashmir Bank. Here this Baldev Prakash is appointed as the MD and CEO of JNK Bank for the period of 3 years by the RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India. Presently, Rajesh Kumar Chibbar is the present chairman and the managing director of JNK Bank. Here the Baldev is going to be take charge as a MD and CEO of JNK Bank from April 2022, and the headquarters of this bank is Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. Next one, Google Pay tied up with SBI General Insurance to offer health insurance. Here the SBI has made a technological partnership with the Google Pay to enable users to buy SBI General Health Insurance on the Google Pay app, and it is the first partnership with an insurance company in India for the Google Pay, and this will enable to buy both individual and the family plans under SBI General Arogya Sanjeevani policy through the Google Pay Spot. Here the MD and CEO of SBI General Insurance is Prakash Chandra Kanpal, and it is headquartered in Mumbai, which is founded in the year 2009. Next one, Maharashtra became the first state to pass its own Wildlife Action Plan 2021-30, that is 2030. Here the Maharashtra became the first India's first state to pass its own wildlife action plan for 10 years from 2021 to 2030, and this plan has suggested integrating the climate change adaptation in the wildlife conservation to develop a climate action plan for the coastal region of the state. Here the governor of Maharashtra is Bhagat Singh Koshyari, and the chief minister is Uddhav Thackeray. Next one, indigenously built ICGS Sarthak is launched at Goa. Yes, here Indian Coast Guard ship Sarthak has been dedicated to the nation in the on October 28th, and it will be based at Porbandar in Gujarat. Whereas this indigenous ship was commenced by the Director General of ICG K Natarajan, that is Krishnaswamy Natarajan at Goa. Here, this ICG Sarthak is the fourth ship in the series of 5 offshore petrol vehicles, which is built by Goa Shipyard Limited. Next one. Union Minister Manshuk Mandavia addresses CII Asia Health to 2021 summit. Here the Manshuk Mandavia is the Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare. He is participated in CII Asia Health 2021 summit. Here the full form of CII is Confederation of India Industry, and the theme for the 2-day summit is Transforming Healthcare for a Better Tomorrow. And this Asia Health 2021 summit is organized by the CII to provide a centralized forum to deliberate on most critical challenges that India and the world face in delivering the health care. Next one. PM Modi participates in the 8th Asian India Summit virtually. Here, here Narendra Modi has attended the 18th Asian India Summit, Asia India Summit virtually due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and this was the 9th Asia India Summit where Narendra Modi is participated in this summit. Here the full form of Asian is Association of Southeast Asia Nations. Here if you see about the Asia Summit, it is a biannual meeting which is held by the members of Asian countries in relation to economic, political, security and social culture development of Southeast Asian regions. And this for this year 2021, this summit was held under the chairmanship of Brunei. Next one. PM Modi attended 16th East Asia Summit virtually. Here in this, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has participated in the 16th edition of the East Asia Summit through a video conference due to the COVID-19 pandemic. This summit for this year 2021, this summit was held under the chairmanship of Brunei, and this was the seventh East Asia Summit for the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to participate for the East Asia Summit. And this summit is established here. This East Asia Summit was established in the year 2005 as the forum in the Asia Pacific region to deal with the issues relating to the security and the defense for the strategic, geopolitical and the economic evolution of the East Asia. In the previous news, we have seen that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has participated in the 18th Asian India Summit virtually, and in this news, it is the 16th edition of the East Asia Summit. Next one. Mark Zuckerberg changes Facebook's name to Meta. Here from now onwards the Facebook is called as the Meta, which is a rebrand which focus mainly on building the metaverse, which is a shared virtual environment that it bets will be the successor to the mobile internet. And here the CEO of the Facebook CEO of the Facebook is Mark Zuckerberg. And the next one. India ranked 9th position in Global Climate Tech Investment Trend Report. Here the Global Climate Tech Investment Report has been released since the Paris Agreement by London has made in the year 2016, and this report is taken in the 5 years plan, that is from 2016 to 2021. And in this report, the India ranked in the 9th position in Global Climate Tech Investment Trend, where this in the Paris Agreement is referred to as the Paris Accord or the Paris Climate Accords, is an international treaty on the climate change which is adopted in the year 2015, where in this agreement it covers the climate change mitigation, adaptation, and the finance. Where if we see India climate tech firms has received 1 billion US dollars in venture capital funding in this period. And if you see, the top countries of this report are United States, China, Sweden, UK, and the France, which stand in the top 5 positions in this report, whereas the India stands in the ninth position in this report. Next one. Thank you everyone. Stay safe and stay strong.